In this video, we are going to show you how to manage deadlines in Poppy AI. Now, you can work on a lot of projects within Poppy AI, but if you can't meet your deadlines, then it's for naught, right? So how do we do this? How do we make sure that we don't miss the mark? It's quite simple. All we need to do is when you're logged in, this is going to be your dashboard, right? You want to click on your profile icon on the upper right corner of the screen like so. Once you're here, you want to click on settings, right? Click on settings. Pop-up will appear. Now, if you see here on the left-hand side, these are your main menu options. And the very bottom it says integrations, right? You want to click on integrations like so. Now on your integrations, you can, well, integrate everything. You can integrate. The most important thing is to integrate Google Calendar and Slack. If you are using Slack, right? If you're using another website for communication, then you can't do that. But a lot of people use Slack, so this is good. If you do have Slack, click connect, right? And it's going to ask you to connect to your Slack, right? It does take some time. And here, it's going to ask you to sign up to your Slack. So just enter your workspace, click continue, and you'll be good to go. And then you go back to this screen right here, and you click on Google Calendar, and you click connect, like so. And it's going to connect you to your Google Calendar. Right, it's going to ask you for your email and just go through your email. It's very straightforward, and afterwards you will be good to go. You'll be able to just have, of course, you need to have your active calendar that you're using for work to be the one that's integrated, right? If you have multiple emails like this, well, you need to choose the right one. So that's how pretty much you do it. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.